Good day children, let's start with a new chapter, Mineral Based Industries. Mineral based industries use minerals, both metallic and non-metallic as raw materials and are based on ferrous and non-ferrous metallurgical processes. The major mineral based industries include iron and steel industry, heavy engineering industry, machine and tool, cement industry, etc. are in the category of mineral based industries. Iron and steel industry is the key element in the heavy industrial structure of a nation. It is often called as a basic industry and forms the backbone of the industrial economy, as most of the important industries such as automobile industry, locomotives, shipbuilding industry, machine and tools, and the manufacture of defense equipments, etc., depend on iron and steel. That is why it is known as the key or the basic industries, as it provides raw material to the other industries. There are two types of iron and steel plants, integrated steel plants and mini steel plants. What are integrated steel plant? In which all the processes from melting of iron ore, steel making, followed by shaping of the metal by rolling is carried out at one complex. They are known as the integrated steel plants, like Tata Iron and Steel, Bhilai Steel Plant are in the category of integrated steel plant, or we can say these are the large plants and they need heavy capital investment. Labor is also required on a large scale and the technical know-how is also required on a large scale. So, this is all the category of the integrated steel plant. What is a mini steel plants, children? Mini steel plants are decentralized. They are the secondary units. They use electric power for processing. They use scrap iron and sponge iron, which are easily available, and they are in a decentralized manner. That means they are fulfilling the demands of the local area and they are situated far away from the integrated steel plants. Let's study about the integrated steel plant. Tata Iron and Steel Company, TISCO, is one of the largest and oldest steel industry of India. It is a private sector company. It was established in 1907 by Jamshedji Tata at Singhbhum district of Jharkhand. What are the favorable factors responsible for the plant being located at Jamshedpur? The plant obtains its requirement of iron ore from the Mayurbhanj district of Odisha and from the Normandy mines in the Singhbhum district of Jharkhand, manganese from the Keonjhar district, and limestone, dolomite and fire clay from the Sundargarh district of Odisha. Next is power supply. Coal is the main source of power for this plant and the supply of coal comes from Jharia and Bokaro coal fields. Water supply, the two main rivers, the Kharkai and Subernekha, gives a water supply for the continuous stream of water for cooling purposes. Labor force is also abundantly available from the nearby states like Bihar, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, etc. Jamshedpur is well connected with roadways and railways to the other parts of the country, and the movement of raw material and finished products is facilitated by the Eastern Railways. It is also connected with the Kolkata port for exporting of the finished steel. The next integrated steel plant is the Rourkela steel plant. Rourkela steel plant is situated in the Sundargarh district of North Odisha. It was set up in collaboration with the West German firm, that is Krups and the Dimag, during the second 5-year plan, and it started its production in 1959. What are the favorable factors responsible for the plant being located in this Odisha state? Number one is that it is situated near to the iron ore mines of Sundargarh district and the Keonjhar districts of Orissa. Next is power supply. Coal is obtained from the Jharia and the Talcher coal fields. Electricity from the Hirakud project on Mahanadi river in Orissa. Next is a transport facility. Rourkela is well connected with railways and roadways with the other parts of the country, as well as Kolkata port facility is also available for import and export. Next is the labor force. Both skilled and unskilled labor is recruited from Bihar, then Jharkhand, West Bengal and Orissa state. Let me conclude here, children. In the next video, we will study about electronics and petrochemical industry. Thank you. God bless you all.